First thing you want to do when you get your Bison bumper is to attach it to the CFMOTO U10 Pro by using its 4 anchor points located at the front of the machine. You want to keep the bumper slightly loose so you can do some adjustments later on, just like you can see here. Second thing you want to do after installing your front bumper is put the sidebars. As you can see here, the sidebars have already been installed. Coming to the other side, we're going to show you how exactly these bars fit inside the bumper. So if you look here, there's a hook that twists inside the bumper, and that hooks onto a bar that's located inside. When you turn to clockwise, it'll lock it in. Third thing you want to do is to bolt on the attachment here on the side by side and just make sure everything aligns correctly. Fourth thing on the list, align all your bars and tighten up the bolts that are provided with the kit, not too tight. As you can see here on the CFMOTO, the rock sliders are already attached. The 3 bolts were left a little loose so we could align everything. For the rear bumper, it's very important that you realize there's a well spot on the CFMOTO that needs to be spaced out with a washer provided from the kit. There's 4 bolts that will be attaching to the bottom here. Now for the final inspection, make sure everything's tightened up. As you can see, nothing's loose. All the bolts have been secured and everything's aligned. Very important that everything's aligned, or otherwise you'll have fitment issues. Coming to the rear, same thing with the bumper. Notice that the bumper is aligned. Bumper's aligned. Everything looks fine. Beautiful logo there. And now you're ready to go enjoy your ride. We're introducing our 2 brand new products, the CFMOTO U10 Pro front bumper, side protection, rock sliders, and rear bumper, and also recently released the Bison truck rack. Our Bison products are proudly made in Canada. These rock sliders are available with reflex liner coating. Remember to visit our fine distributors, Kimpex, and Gallon Parts and Tool for more of our great products.